Hi, Johnny Graham here from Inward. I'd like to talk to you about a role we're working on at the moment. I think it's a really good one. Stand by. It's selling digital transformation solutions into the financial services space. Clients paying around 60k base with double that on the OTE. I think this is an absolutely brilliant opportunity for somebody to get into and work their way into high-level enterprise class selling. So it might be that you may be a few years into your career now and you're starting to look and think, how do I get into these big enterprise vendors? This is your route into that space. A couple of years in this job and you'll either stay there forever and love it, or you'll use it as a leverage point to get you into a big enterprise software vendor, someone like Salesforce or Microsoft and so on. They're a well-established global company. They turn over 170 million globally. I think they've got about 1,000 global employees. They've just had a massive round of investment, with the plan being to take them to 400 million turnover over the course of the next 3 years. So this is going to be a really exciting place to be in the next few years. High growth, high excitement. They're very well respected in the ecosystem that they play in. They're one of 2 top players in this market in the financial services space. So the role is a number of new business sales roles. Marketing, branding, not 100% brilliant, but the incoming lead volume is really strong because they're so well respected in the ecosystem that they're in. So it might be that when we talk about it and I tell you about the name of the client, you might look at it and go, well, there's not that much mention of where they play in the UK and what they're doing. But because of some of the deals they do in the UK within the ecosystem that they operate in, they're actually receiving an awfully large amount of incoming, very high quality leads in the financial services space, where you'll find that actually there are only 2 key players in this market. One of them is one of the major global consulting firms that we've all heard of, the top 4, and then these guys. And these guys actually win 4 out of 10 of the deals that either of those 2 go for, which doesn't sound like a lot, but when you're going for 9, 10 deals and you're winning 4 of them against a major global consulting firm, actually that's an awful lot of business, and hence the need for the growth because of the amount of incoming opportunity. So what you'll be selling is service-driven transformational solutions around key business applications in the financial services space. So that's your major business process and business applications in that environment, particularly focusing things like data and AI and integration and CRM and marketing management. What are they looking for? You'll be keen to progress and grow, and you'll ideally have one of 2 elements in your kit bag. You'll either know a bit about financial services as a market, or Fintech as a market, even better still, or you'll have knowledge of CRM or another business application of some sort. And you'll be from a background, most importantly, that sells to the business, not necessarily to IT as an organizational environment. Most importantly, you'll be a solid sales professional and you'll have a personal identity as a sales professional. If somebody asked you what you did for a living in a pub, you'd say, I'm a sales guy or a salesperson. I'm in sales. So if you're interested, just follow the process below. The client's paying 60k base, double that on the OTE. If you're interested, all you've got to do is follow the process below. There's a little thing, you start the process, it'll ask you a few questions, upload your CV, it'll lodge your lead in our system, and we'll be able to get back to you really quickly and tell you more about the client. Thanks ever so much for watching today. Bye-bye.